Most people misunderstand detachment. They think it means you stopped caring, became distant, or shut down emotionally. Stoicism teaches the opposite. Detachment is not coldness, it is power. It is the moment you stop allowing people, outcomes, and circumstances to dictate your inner state. When you detach, you are still aware, still present, still intentional, but you are no longer owned. And the moment you are no longer owned, you become untouchable. Attachment makes people reactive. It makes them explain themselves, tolerate disrespect, and chase reassurance. Detachment breaks that pattern. It creates space between what happens and how you respond. Stoicism teaches mastery in that space. The calm man does not rush to defend, justify, or retaliate. He observes first, and in that observation, he regains control. Detachment also removes emotional bargaining. You stop negotiating your peace for approval, attention, or outcomes. You stop needing situations to go a certain way in order to remain stable. This stability is felt immediately by others. They sense that you are no longer easily pulled, pressured, or provoked. Calm becomes your baseline, not because you are numb, but because you are grounded. In this video, you're going to understand why detachment makes you psychologically unshakable, why emotional independence is the foundation of Stoic strength, and how letting go quietly restores authority without confrontation. If this resonates, like the video, comment that you're choosing self-command over attachment. Subscribe to Stoic Blessing and turn on notifications to officially become a Stoic soldier, because detachment is where true freedom begins. Anything you are attached to can be used against you. Approval, outcomes, people, validation. The moment you need something to feel stable, you hand control of your emotional state to whatever you need. Stoicism teaches that this is the root of vulnerability. The attached man reacts quickly, explains endlessly, and tolerates what he shouldn't, because he fears loss more than misalignment. Attachment creates predictability. When someone knows what you care about too much, they know how to move you. They know which buttons to press, which threats create urgency, and which silences create anxiety. This is how emotional leverage is formed, not through strength, but through dependence. The Stoic man understands this and refuses to build his peace on anything external. Detachment does not mean you don't value things. It means you are not owned by them. You can appreciate without clinging. You can engage without depending. When attachment loosens, fear dissolves. And without fear, manipulation fails. What cannot scare you cannot control you. This is why detachment makes you untouchable. You stop reacting to the possibility of loss. You stop chasing outcomes that once ruled your behavior. You act from principle instead of pressure. And the moment you act from principle, control returns to where it belongs, inside you. Emotional leverage only exists when reactions are predictable. If guilt works, it will be used. If pressure works, it will be applied. If urgency pulls you off center, it will be manufactured. Stoicism teaches that leverage disappears the moment you stop reacting automatically. Detachment removes the emotional handles others were using to steer you. When you are attached, you explain yourself too much. You rush to fix misunderstandings. You react to tone instead of intention. Detachment breaks this cycle. It creates a pause between stimulus and response. In that pause, you regain choice. You no longer respond to emotion with emotion. You respond, if you respond at all, from clarity. This is why detachment feels unsettling to others. Their usual tactics stop working. Silence replaces engagement. Calm replaces urgency. And without reaction, leverage collapses. The Stoic man does not confront manipulation. He starves it. He does not argue for control. He removes access to it. Detachment does not make you passive. It makes you precise. You choose where your energy goes instead of letting others decide for you. And once emotional leverage is gone, you become difficult to move, pressure, or provoke. Untouchable, not because nothing happens to you, but because nothing controls you. Reaction is surrender. The moment you react impulsively, you give the situation authority over your inner state. Stoicism teaches mastery and restraint, the ability to pause where others explode. Untouchable men understand that not every stimulus deserves a response. By refusing to react on instinct, they reclaim control over the moment. Detachment creates space. Space between insult and emotion. Space between delay and anxiety. Space between pressure and compliance. In that space, clarity lives. The Stoic man uses this space to observe intent rather than tone, pattern rather than incident. This perspective keeps him grounded while others spiral. People who expect emotional access find this unsettling. They push harder, they escalate, they try different angles, and each attempt fails because reaction never comes. Detachment protects the center. The calm man does not need to defend himself. His composure does that for him. This is why untouchable men appear unshakable. They are not immune to emotion. They are sovereign over it. They feel without being ruled. And that self-command, practiced consistently, makes reaction unnecessary and control impossible. When you detach, power dynamics become visible. While you were emotionally engaged, everything felt balanced on the surface. But the moment you step back, the structure is exposed. Those who relied on your reactions feel unsettled. Those who respected you remain steady. Stoicism teaches that clarity comes from withdrawal, not confrontation. Detachment removes the noise and lets behavior speak. People who depended on emotional access often interpret detachment as rejection or arrogance. In reality, it is neither. It is neutrality. And neutrality disrupts unspoken control. When you are no longer feeding the dynamic, others must adjust. Some rise to the new standard. Others escalate, pressure, or withdraw. All of it is information. The Stoic man understands that power does not need to be asserted. It reveals itself when reaction is removed. Detachment acts like a filter. It shows who interacts from respect and who interacts from leverage. No arguments are required. No explanations are needed. Behavior clarifies everything. This is why detachment is so effective. It exposes imbalance without accusation. It shows where control was borrowed instead of earned. And once power is visible, the Stoic man no longer wastes energy negotiating it. He simply moves accordingly, calm, deliberate, and untouchable. Provocation only works when ego is involved. Insults sting because identity is attached. Delays frustrate because outcomes are clung to. Disrespect escalates because validation is needed. Detachment dissolves all of this. Stoicism teaches that when you release attachment to ego and outcome, provocation loses its target. The calm man still hears the words, still sees the behavior, but nothing hooks him. When others attempt to provoke a detached man, they quickly realize there is no reaction to feed on. Anger finds no mirror. Sarcasm meets silence. Pressure meets patience. This absence of response is not weakness. It is dominance over impulse. The calm man does not need to prove strength through confrontation. His restraint communicates it more clearly than any argument could. Provocation escalates when it fails. This is the moment clarity appears. Those seeking reaction expose their intent through persistence. Stoicism values this revelation. The detached man watches without judgment, learning who respects boundaries and who resents them. He does not correct behavior with emotion. He corrects it with distance. This is why the calm man remains untouchable. He cannot be baited into losing composure. He cannot be pulled into emotional chaos. By refusing to react, he protects his center, and anyone who cannot reach that center has no power over him. Respect follows self-control, not demand. When people sense that you are not desperate for approval, outcomes, or emotional reassurance, their behavior changes. They speak more carefully. They test less. They listen more. Detachment communicates inner authority without a single word. Stoicism teaches that respect cannot be chased. It is invited by composure. The man who is not easily moved is always taken seriously. Attachment invites negotiation. Detachment ends it. When you stop explaining yourself, stop reacting emotionally, and stop chasing validation, you signal that your standards are internal. This shifts the dynamic. Others realize they cannot pull you into arguments, pressure you into decisions, or sway you with emotion. Boundaries become implicit. Respect rises quietly because it has no alternative. Detachment also removes inconsistency. When your reactions don't fluctuate with mood or circumstance, people know where you stand. Predictability in character, combined with unpredictability in reaction, creates authority. Stoicism values this steadiness because it builds trust without submission. You are firm without force, present without performance. This is why detachment commands respect over time. It filters who stays, how they behave, and what they bring to the interaction. The calm man doesn't ask for respect. He becomes the standard by which respect is measured, and those who cannot meet it naturally fall away. Fear only exists where attachment lives. Fear of loss, fear of rejection, fear of being misunderstood. All of it is rooted in needing something outside yourself to remain intact. Stoicism teaches that when you let go of attachment, fear loses its foundation. The detached man understands that he can lose outcomes, people, or approval without losing himself. And that understanding makes him fearless in situations that paralyze others. When you detach, uncertainty stops feeling threatening. You no longer need guarantees to stay calm. Delays don't shake you. Silence doesn't unsettle you. You are no longer emotionally bargaining with the future. This is not recklessness. It is grounded confidence. The Stoic man prepares, acts, and accepts outcomes without clinging to them. And acceptance dissolves fear faster than control ever could. Letting go also removes the fear of judgment. When you are detached from how you are perceived, opinions lose their sting. Praise doesn't inflate you. Criticism doesn't destabilize you. You move from principle instead of reaction. This internal alignment becomes a shield. People sense that you cannot be easily intimidated, pressured, or swayed. This is why detachment makes you untouchable. Fear is the primary tool of control, and detachment disarms it completely. When nothing external defines your worth or peace, there is nothing left to threaten. You remain calm where others panic, not because you feel nothing, but because you are no longer owned by what you feel. Control only exists where ownership exists. If something owns your emotional state, approval, outcomes, people, reputation, then it can steer your behavior. Stoicism teaches that freedom begins the moment ownership ends. When nothing external owns you, nothing external can control you. Detachment returns authorship of your life back to you, where it belongs. When you are attached, you negotiate your behavior to protect what you fear losing. You explain too much. You tolerate too much. You react too quickly. Detachment cuts that chain. You stop acting from defense and start acting from principle. Decisions become clean because they are no longer distorted by anxiety or need. You move because it is right, not because you are pressured. This shift is deeply unsettling to those who relied on your predictability. They can no longer move you through fear or reward. Praise doesn't inflate you. Threats don't rush you. Silence doesn't destabilize you. Stoic detachment removes every lever at once. You become steady in situations that once ruled you. This is what it means to be untouchable. Life still happens, challenges still arise, but nothing owns your inner state. And when nothing owns you, you are free to respond deliberately instead of reactively. Freedom, in the Stoic sense, is not escape. It is self-governance fully realized. Detachment is not indifference, it is mastery. It is the ability to remain grounded no matter what is happening around you. Stoicism teaches that true strength is not loud, aggressive, or reactive. It is composed. When you detach, you stop outsourcing your peace to people, outcomes, or circumstances. You become self-governed, and a self-governed man cannot be shaken. This is why detachment makes you untouchable. You are no longer pulled by fear, provocation, or approval. You move deliberately. You speak intentionally. You engage only when it aligns with your values. Others may misunderstand your calm or mistake your silence for distance, but your clarity remains intact. You do not need to be understood to remain strong. The Stoic path is not about avoiding life. It is about meeting life without losing yourself. Detachment allows you to experience fully without being controlled emotionally. You feel without being ruled. You care without clinging. And that balance is rare. It is what separates composure from chaos. If this message resonated, like the video, comment that you're choosing detachment and self-command, subscribe to Stoic Blessing, and turn on notifications to officially become a Stoic soldier. Thank you for watching and walking the Stoic path, where letting go doesn't make you weaker, it makes you unbreakable.